Hi friends. Hope you are fine.
Are you planning to buy iPhone 14 or iPhone Pro Max 14? Then please watch this video completely and do not skip.
Price of iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max ranges from $799 to $1,099.
The device is not worth for this price. After slight changing in iPhone 13 in camera, processor and design, the remaining functions are same as was in iPhone 13. Apple is just taking the advantage of its name and status symbol. There are far better devices are available in market with better hardware and functions and much low price. The iPhone 14 is launched on 14th of September 2022, and after its release following problems are reported by its user, which is alarming, and problems with charging, camera and 5G speed is reported. Some potential users have reported that the device is randomly restarting approximately every 10 minutes while charging. Several other users write that they are experiencing the same issues in both iOS 16.0.1 and 16.0.2 and when using both wireless and wired charging solutions. Some say they've found the same problem with their iPhone 14 Pro Max devices, too. Apple support suggested fully restoring from backup with DFU or recovery mode, disabling optimized charging, and uninstalling the UFI app, none of which worked. However, the author writes that disabling background app refresh did fix the issue. Some customers say they are experiencing poor 5G cellular connections and calls randomly dropping. Some iPhone 14 Pro users found that using the camera with third-party apps caused the camera module to shake so violently that it made a buzzing or rattling noise. It also created some nauseating photos and videos. Apple addressed the shaking with the iOS 16.0.2 update, but it appears Cupertino will need to fix a few more things in the iPhone 14 Pro via future updates.
Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video.